when community gather for your matter, my brother, I hope say what they go cook for you, go feature up and finish. Because the community what they build here, from now they go. What do they cook for you? On top football matter, my brother, trust me, you know go finish. My name is Sawadinho. Welcome to Oshaprapra edition of our podcast again. And this is Football Afrik. And of course, inside Football Afrik, we get NPFL Tatafo and everything we concern Nigerian football for +234. We will look around some matters where we say, my brother, you get as it be, and sometimes you get as it be. So for the community today, I get Justin, I get Uzo, and I get Kingsley. All of them, they here today to chook mouth on top some of the things where they happen inside football. We're going to start off with this one. Get a Niger footballer now where they make the whole of African continent proud. His name now Victor Osimhen. Double nomination. One of them, Ballon d'Or. The second one, now FIFA The Best. In fact, I want to shock everybody, FIFA The Best, now only 12. Now they nominate, and Osimhen inside the top 10. So like this now, FIFA they tell you, say Osimhen now among the top 12 best footballers in the world. Now, what we want to talk about today, Osimhen nomination and some other things will come with all of that. So, King So, how far you be? Welcome, first of all.
I did fine. No. Thank you so much, Sawadinho.
Just say hi to me.
Good morning, Sawadinho. I did fine. Good one today this morning. As we already talk, we hope say we go fit dish, waiting everybody go fit chop this morning and make everybody take belly full.
Uzo, what's up?
Man, thank you very much, Sawadinho. I'm very happy. We are very happy to be here, and I hope say the general public, they ready to chop what you want cook now.
Osimhen Alpha, Ballon d'Or nomination and FIFA The Best nomination.
It's a good one for him and Nigerian football in general. Now, better story, now better news, but he will not win.
No one of them will win.
No one.
Why?
Not that he doesn't have the talent. He get the talent, so the talent football, the body, but he's not complete. When I mean he's not complete, football, na showbiz. Osimhen doesn't have that. He don't get that. He's not complete to that extent. He has the talent. He has everything going for him. But this other aspect of when it comes to the business part of it, he doesn't have it. He don't get time for body. So and these are factors where we say still follow kind of in a way when it comes to
what is concern showbiz concern to win?
You know, say Haaland they do model.
And with the relationship between.
That's what I'm telling you. Haaland they do model. That's what I'm telling you. That is the showbiz. That's what I was. Now what I try to tell everybody.
Also, I don't think I agree with you. No be showbiz be this now football and football now business. Osimhen they deliver week in week out. Now most of Osimhen I go talk say now one of the reasons where many of us Nigerians they watch Serie A.
Also, I'm not going to want make you hold that showbiz part strongly. So, first of all, you don't talk say you're not going to win now. And I'm not going to talk say I agree with you. And at the same time, I'm not going to talk say I disagree with you. Mathematically, I want make you look at from like this. How many people they shortlist? You understand? Each of the best way they don't shortlist get equal mathematical opportunity to win this thing. Yeah. So already on that ground, Osimhen to feel winner. You understand? But the only way you go come up is say, if you can't do statistics, do more analysis on your statistics, if they get figure where they did stronger, pass another one. If you can't tell me say
the organizers already come back and tell us the criteria where did they take, peak,
So what be some of those criteria?
From when to when, the period, when to when they count.
See, correct.
And the period under review. Yeah. No, wait first. The period under review right now. So just say, okay, now this season.
Yes.
Performances of last season. From say after that World Cup. World Cup already count for that the last award. Say from that January time can't reach now. If you count them now, check them generally. Waiting to see my chances against all them Haaland, all them Mbappe, all them Messi, and the rest of them where they nominate for all of these awards.
I was just trying to tell. Now what I say tell you now.
Okay.
Football don't pass. This mindset we will get now about football. Football don't pass like there's so many behind the scenes things where we don't know. Where most people don't know for outside.
This one now one. Now yeah, give
this
us another one.
This one where I tell you now. This
now
about
one.
this
showbiz now one. Which other one again?
Follow because when sponsors they look for people will go sell their product for them. Somebody is sponsoring it now. Somebody is sponsoring it now.
This guy na big brand.
Somebody is sponsoring. I'm not saying it's not a big brand.
Osimhen na strong brand.
Performance now be waiting they use count.
All of them where they no get performance.
What if the showbiz where Haaland they do?
I just give you one instance. Now he's a model.
Model.
Yes, he has
Osimhen
a
na star boy.
Star boy for.
Osimhen na stronger model.
All I'm trying to say is, what they try to talk here. First of all, I'm not taking it. I know they take anything come from Osimhen, but you.
Okay.
Osimhen is good. He left for me. He left for us. We will vote for our own. He's our own.
Yes,
But
yes.
all I'm saying is, what they try to talk, say, make Nigerian footballers, especially Osimhen, now that he's in that spotlight, he don't dey for spotlight. Make it try to
Make
come
them
out
brush am
more.
up
Make
small.
them brush
Make
am
them brand
up.
am small.
As regards to
You
football
get
is not
point.
just
You get point.
Yes,
You get point for that side. But
yes.
Uzo, you get point. You
Yes.
get point. You get point for that side. Do you understand? But like I talked earlier on again, I don't want to make you hold this one now as your first foot. Bring out a stronger argument. First of all, waiting football the first look, your performance on the pitch, just like
Other
Sawadinho
people
don't
there for
first
the
off.
season, they don't
Do you
get
understand?
performance.
Good. This guy scored goal, though. You know how many goals when Napoli scored last season? About some 7 goals. About some 7 goals. Osimhen alone get 26. If you check him again, I use mathematics to start my point earlier on. Only this one person give that team 33% of the goals where they scored last season. It's more than enough
Get
for him
person.
to get the short list.
Again,
We're
one of
looking
our
at the short
politicians
list
wey
now.
talk say,
First of all.
We're looking at the
again, one
final
of our
short
politicians
list.
wey talk say whether na mathematics we go chop.
See,
This
okay,
one
wait,
You
na
don't see
wait,
as he keep us. You don't see where he keep us now. The way that man, you don't see where he don't keep us for the country now.
Make I come to you, Justin.
yeah.
First off, Uzo don't talk say Osimhen no fit win am at all. You understand? But then again, the recognition.
The recognition counts. 12 people. Only 12 people now they nominate for this.
Thank you, sir.
And you can't tell us say he no go fit win am. I still think say Osimhen get fair chance to win am.
Good.
Fair
Why?
chance to win
Yes,
am.
fair chance.
Why?
No jokes. Highest goal scorer, Serie A. Every week, see the performance when they put out.
Yeah.
Now we can't bring them down to Africa. We just see, say we just complete
Qualifiers.
qualifiers.
Yes.
How many goals in banging?
10.
Highest goal scorer.
Highest goal scorer.
Highest
yeah.
goal scorer.
So why you go come dey talk say Osimhen? For me personally, I believe say Osimhen stand a chance to win am as much as Haaland.
Good.
So no be about branding.
Come on, sentiment now. Come on, patriotism now.
No be about
from your
patriotism.
church mind now. Because I don't see some links where they say vote for Osimhen for this one, they want. I don't know whether FIFA
Whether
don't
it's
change.
authentic
Whether
or-
FIFA don't change. No, I don't click
No,
on
they
them,
get-
but I never
okay.
go
Plenty
use it.
criteria.
So I don't know whether they don't change the voting pattern now because I never really follow through on that. Whether now everybody now fit vote because if
contribute.
it make I say everybody fit vote, I think saying go lose a little bit of the authenticity. For instance,
Yes,
imagine say
yes,
Nigeria
yes,
get
the
like
value.
200 million people.
Yeah,
True,
Then
true.
all 200 million of them vote Osimhen.
At
Then
least
maybe
95%
Norway,
go vote am.
maybe Norway get like say 10 million.
True,
You know,
true,
what be
true.
Haaland chance. So come on sentiment, come on say be Nigeria person, come on say this here. If they tell you now make you vote for your the best, FIFA the best
FIFA
player
the
and
best,
your Ballon d'Or player, you Justin, who you go vote for?
Why I go vote? I'll
Yes.
vote for Osimhen. Why? Check Napoli. You won't compare Napoli. Napoli no be big team as such. Juventus on they carry that league for how many years?
They can't break am.
Napoli with the caliber of players where they get, they lost most of their big names. We come out that season. They come back. They stayed in the game. They lead that league for a long time, and at the end of the day, they won it.
They won it.
So check Man City. Check the caliber of players where they inside that Man City team. So Haaland, they're just spoon fed. They just give am
They
for
don't.
mouth.
They serve and the team put for plates.
I
for
beg,
am.
Exactly.
I beg, me I no vex.
So,
I dey get Haaland. Messi no dey this. Messi no dey for this.
Where
Would
which
they
Messi?
come? Would they come
Messi
that
go
side?
there.
Would they come that side?
No,
Would they come
I
that
say wait,
side?
make him talk finish
Would they
because
come that side?
una don dey overblow this
Osimhen.
league. He win league. You wetin be league? You wan
Okay,
compare
what
league
Messi
and World
don't
Cup?
achieve
You
in,
Now
want?
wait till I want
in the calendar under review?
Yeah.
Well, he won the World Cup.
That one don't count for the last award.
So what are you trying to say? So that one no count again now
Wetin
for
play
this
for
level
PSG?
now.
Okay, if you remove that World Cup now,
If we remove
You
the
want
World
okay
Cup,
okay remove the league.
which league?
Wait,
Check
The
the
Osimhen
goal.
go.
league, the league there under the calendar now.
He
The
dey
calendar
Like you were
Within
saying now, you
that
get what we talk now. You talk. You get what there's something you said now about if you genuinely feel if they are going to open it, if they want to open up for everybody, now. You dey try compare say if Osimhen get chance to win and if they open up for everybody, it still boils down to that thing why they tell you about say Osimhen is not they that complete because how many people they follow am for Instagram? Let's start for that.
All those
So you know
ones
what I
dey
tell you?
count.
They count because that's what I'm telling you. These things, football don't pass score.
Uzo, those ones
Football
dey
don't
count.
pass score.
Uzo,
I dey
I
tell
want
una
to
this
ask you
thing.
something.
Una feel no you feel no understand what I try to tell you now, but later on you understand what I'm trying to tell you now.
Okay, Uzo,
Football-
make we hold am there right now. Make I just make this very direct.
all
Now,
right.
Kingsley, I dey
Yes,
come
sir.
to you.
I
now.
dey with you.
Pick up your top 3
Okay.
for the best and for Ballon d'Or. Your top 3, no sense.
So my top 3. Well, Haaland first.
Okay.
Haaland first. Now I go first pick as number 1. Then maybe I go come put Kevin De Bruyne join this list. You understand? Then I will not disrespect one of the greatest of all time, Messi, because the guy, we see what this guy don't do in the last 1 year. He has really alone, to a large extent, this guy single-handedly carrying team win the World Cup. You understand? And just like Uzo talk, but we know what mean they talk where Uzo come be say, I be no expect making through that showbiz side come in first. Because the showbiz area, Messi carry and where. We see what they do for America now. Since he go America now, see the quality number of people where they even come stadium, come watch ball alone, come watch Messi, just Messi alone. You understand?
No, while tell me your own top 3.
My own top 3, like I see they talk Osimhen, number 1.
Okay.
Haaland comes second.
Okay.
Everybody they talk Messi. I beg this last 1 year, what Messi don't do? Nothing. He don't even fit deliver well for PSG.
Score, I think 11 goals for
10 goals.
MLS.
Sour.
10 goals
When
for MLS.
I wait to be the position of MLS for top 5 leagues.
Before he came,
where to be position of that club?
Where the day before?
where to be position of in club before he come?
See, this thing now about.
He don't already win one title with them.
No, what be the name of the title?
Are you saying it doesn't matter?
No.
That's maybe that will not be your problem. That will not be your problem.
Winning, no. Forget to now because now the country where they now make the title, now they
Exactly,
relevant like that for you. Winning and winning, no. Some people don't play. See, some people don't play for Premiership 10 years, 15 years. They never win
So all
anything.
the title that way Cristiano Ronaldo go win for Saudi Arabia now, no count.
It don't count.
Why?
What he count for?
Plastic.
What he
Come
count?
on,
Plastic.
What
he count?
Wait.
Wait,
Justin, I want that shoot that
wait,
Ronaldo.
kiss me,
Oh,
wait
put that
first.
for your CV.
Kiss
I
me,
want that
wait
shoot
first.
that. You not go add them.
I didn't hear you, Sawa.
So you say Osimhen number 1, Haaland
Yes,
number 2, number 3.
Alvarez.
Alvarez.
Yes.
Okay, the Argentine guy.
Yes, the
That
Argentine
guy
guy.
win everything.
He don't talk am.
Silently.
He always dey show up for the day. He go think say no dey the team. But if you don't check am, the guy na the complete footballer.
But again, I want also banter you with that. I know they disregard any of these people we that don't mention. Do you understand?
Yeah,
but you know the thing where would they look now be say criteria is plenty. And again, one criteria where you point out, where make you the front Osimhen before. Waiting with that criteria. Say look Napoli, look Man City. Haaland.
Quality of the
quality.
players.
Do you understand?
Okay.
Only Osimhen. I give us statistics now. Only Osimhen do 33%
Yes.
of the goals.
Yeah.
When Napoli begins struggle, everybody can't they fear whether these people still feel win Italian league. Now when Osimhen been injured. When Osimhen dey injured, now Napoli struggle for Champions League. He came back in the second against AC Milan. We see what he do. Do you understand? So check that Alvarez too.
You do your advert. And that show this. Let's say now you go manager. Give me your top 3.
This is my top 3 now go win now.
Okay.
Messi,
Because now you be FIFA.
Messi, Haaland, Mbappe.
Messi, Haaland, Mbappe.
Nah, so
Now they go winner.
Osimhen our own. We dey support him any day, anytime.
Sure,
but
sure.
for this
For
one
the
now,
fact say Osimhen are like the biggest name now, where everybody mention for the Ballon d'Or and all of that. If I bring this thing now down to African Footballer of the Year,
Yeah.
she all three of now they agree now. Say nobody, no African player now for the world will win African Footballer of the Year if no be Osimhen.
I don't think anybody else go feel with them.
Riyad Mahrez.
Yeah, we feel say yes.
He won everything like Alvarez.
He win 3.
He won everything like Alvarez.
last
Bono.
season.
Morocco
Wetin be the
goalkeeper.
role wey him play for there? Wetin be
he
the
was
role?
instrumental.
He was instrumental though.
Instrumental than who?
He was instrumental
Yeah,
in that
Mahrez
team.
been
oh.
Champions
Haaland.
League, Premiership, FA
Yes,
Cup.
and he won
Bruyne.
FA Cup too.
Bernardo Silva.
No, those was not the Africans.
So now they tell you.
No, those are the Africans.
Mahrez. Wetin Mahrez play? Wetin Mahrez
This
play?
Bono,
You know,
this
say,
Bono now,
eh,
wey Sawa mention now. This Bono, now goalkeeper. You know why it be like say we not they look this guy's side? Because he just they stand for that post. You don't understand? But to prevent goal to the enter, not be small work. If that guy, this guy was a forward, I'm sure he go they score like 50-something goals the way Haaland take
Well, I
do.
want to
Do you
score
understand?
50-something.
Why? Because even at the world, we're looking at his quality now. We're looking at his quality.
First of all, that's what we are supposed to know
Yeah.
first.
Okay.
Then, if we know what CAF they actually use, if na say
Participation
na
at the
you
World
score,
Cup.
or if na say na trophy where you win.
Participation at the World Cup
If na
trophy.
say na trophy where you
Playing
win.
time where you get for your team,
Performance.
the contribution where they contribute for your team. Do you understand? Yes, now.
We are
Bono
if we are
Bono
looking at
single-handedly
contributions,
to a large extent.
if we are looking at
Give Sevilla. Give Sevilla now.
See, if we are looking at
their trophy.
Yeah.
See, if you are
In
looking at
Europe,
contributions,
Europa Cup.
if you are looking at contributions,
In the Moroccan
Osimhen
national team.
Away first.
has get that yardstick to that
For the
bragging
club.
rights to win based
For
on
the
the
club.
club.
For the club.
But if you are looking at
For the club.
trophies, Baba, if we dey look trophies,
Mahrez.
Mahrez don't win am since so.
He don't dey win and they
He
come.
don't dey win am, they
He
come.
don't dey win and
They
they
win
come.
and they
So
come.
that's
Wetin
the
he play?
African footballer of the year
Yeah.
2023.
Yes.
Who you think say go win am?
Me, I say Mahrez. Oh.
Go give our own Osimhen.
Now our own boy will
Yeah,
see.
I
No,
say
you dey give am
Mahrez.
our because you're saying
but
our
I
own.
dey say
or-
but I
Yeah.
dey say but
Okay.
I go give our own but I dey say but because some people now go see this podcast go say this guy better say you and Osimhen get problem. I like Osimhen. I dey watch am
All of
steady
us like
back
am.
to
Me, I
back.
like
No, I
Osimhen
don't dey
pass
fear. I'm
you.
not going to wait for you for junction. I don't dey fear.
But I'm just saying, I just dey talk say it depends on the yardstick wey CAF wan use.
CAF
Say
wan use.
now we go use. If na contribution, Osimhen go win am. But if they can't go dey look trophy,
I'm
Yeah.
sure you go join now.
No, see,
You know-
in as much as see, no matter the yardstick wey CAF wan use, performance, player ratings or whatever, Osimhen go still win am. Check, only him be the African, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, sir.
Wey be
For the
the
best
12th.
12.
Then
Yes, sir.
where you all put Mahrez,
Okay.
Bono dey there, he no dey there.
bros, that team we
Is it
talk
na-
now.
na like-
To an extent, I no too support am.
How you no too
Remember
support
when JJ win BBC African Footballer of the Year?
No be
Yes,
win
yes.
African
He no
footballer
still
of
come
the
win
year.
He no win
African
African
Footballer.
Footballer
But
of the Year.
This one Osimhen don show say both for foreign and local, e still full ground.
So they
Okay.
recognize
Yes.
them.
All right. Okay, so we could just sort them there, about this whole African Footballer of the Year and all of that. But now, the arguments now, share with all of this nomination for Ballon d'Or, FIFA The Best, and all of that. Share that one don't make am sure bank and say Osimhen now he could be the African Footballer of the Year. Remember some of the names who don't put up. Riyad Mahrez, the Moroccan goalkeeper, Bono, Sadio Mane, all of them, they still day in the mix, but Shina Osimhen, be this. You get years we don't call, we say, hey, JJ go win and JJ no winner. You get years we don't call, we say, this one go happen, this one, what happen. You understand? Mikel, the fact, feel say they rob him 1 year. So who you think will win African Football of the Year? We go also want to hear from you. Remember, say if you watch this podcast on all streaming platforms, and we go want to see your comments. And if you self won't be part of this community, just enter my DM, send me message, and if you good rich, my brother, you will be here for the next community hangout. This, the Football Republic podcast.